The driveline starts at the front of the sprayer and runs through the tank to a set of U-joints. The U-joints located in the rear of the sprayer have less wear and therefore do not require service as frequently as the front driveline. Inspect and grease both U-joints monthly until grease is visible. In a turbo mist sprayer, the driveline runs through the tank to another U-joint located in the back. It does not do as much work as the one located in the front, therefore, it only needs to be greased monthly. A couple pumps of grease until the grease comes through. Located under the suction filter is the agitation tensioner. The belt tensioner self-tensions and does not require any service as it has sealed bearings. Ensure you align the agitation belt with the two bolts in the top and the bottom of the self-tensioner. The 1-inch stainless agitation shaft is the best agitation shaft on the market. But if you do not grease the packing gland daily, you could endure premature breakage. Should the shaft break, you will need to remove the entire shaft, which can be a very lengthy repair. That is why it is very important to properly maintain your agitation shaft. Should you encounter any leaks from the packing gland, simply tighten the two bolts by a quarter of a turn to expand the packing fibers inside the tank and around the agitation shaft. Only a quarter of a turn until the leak stops. Do not over tighten. The pillow block bearing is a sealed bearing, therefore only requires grease yearly, unlike the packing gland that requires grease daily. When you're installing your PTO from the sprayer to your tractor, you will notice we have a 21 spline PTO shaft. You will also notice there is one spline missing and a little gap in here. You might need to clean it off some of the grease to find it. That marking is what is meant for the welding mark on the other end of the shaft to line up, so the PTO shaft will slip right in. Keep rotating the shaft until you find the welded mark. Here's a close-up of the weld and the space in the spline. If it is lined up correctly with the notch in the tab, it will slide together easily. We recommend pushing it far inside and giving it a little spin to make sure you are lined up correctly. Line the PTO up on your tractor, push until it locks, and give it a small pull to make sure it is secure and latched. This pump is a Udor 170 piston diaphragm pump. The output is 44.9 US gallons per minute with a maximum pressure of 300 psi.